Which electric spin scrubber is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, cutting through the noise to find out which ones really clean, last, and make your life easier. Product number 1, Bombvest All-Purpose Scrubber. Let's start with the Bombvest Electric Spin Scrubber. This one caught my eye because it comes with 8 replaceable brush heads and promises up to 90 minutes of runtime. At $39.99, it's positioned as a full home cleaning solution, not just for bathrooms. If you want one tool that handles everything from shower grout to car tires without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3000 mAh battery gives you real cleaning time without constant recharging, and the 3 adjustable handle lengths, 12, 43, and 54 inches, mean you can reach high shower walls or deep bathtubs without bending over. That's huge if you've got back pain or just hate getting on your knees. The dual speeds, 300 and 500 RPM, let you switch from gentle tile cleaning to tackling baked-on soap scum. Plus, with over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with people who want versatility. Now, some people complained about the charging port being exposed and vulnerable if water gets in, especially since you're supposed to avoid submerging the handle. Here's the thing though, as long as you dry it off after use and don't dunk the whole unit, it's totally fine. It's not a flaw in daily use, just something to be careful about. This is perfect for you if you need a do-it-all scrubber for multiple rooms and surfaces. Skip this one if you only clean small areas like sinks. You'd be paying for features you won't use. For the price and included accessories, it's solid value. Product number 2, 2U Smart Display Scrubber. If Bombvest's lack of a battery display bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The 2U Electric Spin Scrubber stands out with its built-in LED display that shows exact battery percentage, no guessing when it'll die mid-clean. At $35.99, it's slightly cheaper, but packs smart features you'd expect on pricier models. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The IPX7 full-body waterproof rating means you can rinse the entire unit under the top without worry, something most scrubbers don't allow. The motor runs at 350 and 450 RPM, which is plenty for most bathroom jobs, and the adjustable stainless steel handle extends from 26 to 45 inches. That's great for reaching ceiling corners or tall shower doors without straining. Plus, the Type-C fast charging is a nice modern touch. Most competitors still use older ports. Now, some people noted it only comes with 4 brush heads, fewer than others on this list. Here's the thing though, the 4 includes are well designed, flat, corner, small flat, and pointed, so they cover 90% of common cleaning tasks. Unless you're doing heavy car or floor work, you probably won't miss the extras. This is perfect for you if you hate running out of power unexpectedly and want something you can fully rinse clean. Skip this one if you need more than 4 brush types for specialized jobs. It's a smart buy for everyday bathroom and kitchen cleaning. Product number 3, CTMAS Budget Workhorse. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tight budgets. The CTMAS Electric Spin Scrubber costs just $23.99, less than a dinner for 2, but still delivers 90 minutes of runtime and a 53-inch extension pull, which is longer than most. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extended reach means you can clean high shower walls or under sinks without stepping on a stool, huge for safety and comfort. The dual speeds go up to 450 RPM, matching pricier models, and the IPX7 rating lets you wash it safely after use. It also includes a mesh storage bag and hook, so everything stays organized. Over 7,000 sold last month shows people are trusting this no-frills performer. Now, some buyers mention the build feels a bit lightweight, almost flimsy compared to metal-handled models. Here's the thing though, it's made of durable PP plastic, which keeps weight down and won't rust, perfect for humid bathrooms. As long as you're not dropping it downstairs, it holds up fine for regular home use. This is perfect for you if you want maximum reach and function without spending $40. Skip this one if you prefer heavy-duty metal construction or plan to use it daily for years. For occasional deep cleans, it's an unbeatable deal. Product number 4, Puffdom Long Life Scrubber. If battery life is your top concern, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Puffdom Electric Spin Scrubber boasts a massive 180-minute runtime, 3 full hours on a single 2.5-hour charge. That's double most competitors, and it shows battery level in real time via a digital display. Here's why this matters for you specifically.
If you clean large homes or multiple bathrooms in one session, you won't be hunting for a charger halfway through. The motor offers 350 and 400 RPM speeds, ideal for everything from light dusting to scrubbing hard water stains. It comes with 6 brush heads, including ones for wheels and dishes, and the IPX7 rating means full rinsability. At $23.99, it's also one of the most affordable with such long endurance. Now, some users said the brush heads can feel a bit loose if not clicked in perfectly. Here's the thing though, as long as you twist them until they lock, they stay secure. It's not a design flaw, just a reminder to install them carefully. This is perfect for you if you hate recharging mid-clean and want reliable power for big jobs. Skip this one if you only clean small areas weekly. You'd rarely use the full battery. For the price and runtime, it's a steal.
Product number 5. Swiperix Premium All-Rounder. If you want a scrubber that balances premium feel with practical features, the Swiperix model steps up. At $39.99, it's priced like the Bombvez, but includes an LCD battery percentage display, 8 brush heads, and a full IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning you can submerge the entire unit if needed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable handle stretches from 14 to 54 inches, covering everything from floor grout to high windows. The motor runs at 320 RPM max, which is a bit lower than others, but still effective for daily cleaning, especially when paired with cleaner. The real win is the build quality. Metal handle, stable brush attachment, and a wall mount for storage. It's designed to last. Now, some reviewers noted it's a bit heavier at 2.4 pounds, which could tire your wrist during long sessions. Here's the thing though, the weight adds stability, reducing vibration and giving better control on tough stains. If you're doing quick spot cleans, it's barely noticeable. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, feature-rich scrubber that feels premium. Skip this one if you prioritize ultra-lightweight tools or need the highest RPM for heavy buildup. For long-term use, it's a smart investment.
So which one should you get? If you want the most brush heads and versatility, go Bombvez. Need a battery display and full rinsability? Use your pick. On a tight budget? CTM Mast delivers serious value. Need all-day runtime? Pufftem wins. And if you want premium build with smart features, Swiperix is the way to go. All 5 get the job done. Just pick the one that fits your cleaning style.